Ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya hne kasngi khatwei trik ujemang kala shemme karai ban penjur shushu eka jing Dawa na ka bertaban Pynkiew ya ka Tulop chun kidukhat kani kaseng. Usamla me bon lingdo uno aikten kani kaseng ula kenno ba ka sorkar kala le bam patiau baro shikata halor kani ka jing Dawa jongki. Usamla me bon haka jingkran bakila pathai khubor menta kasngi ula ong ba hakani ka kenti ka Fastom kan penjur ya ka jing Dawa na ka sorkar jela ban rai Kloi ban Pynkiew ya ka Tulop jongki Nonghikai kibadan hakani ka kenhon.
So today we are tired, we cannot wait any longer. So tomorrow we have decided that at 12:30 p.m. we are going to launch another rally, and this rally we will stay there outside of the secretariat if the government allow us, and we will stay there, we will sleep there, we will eat there until the government is compelled to respond to us. We have asked for a dialogue with the Chief Minister. If the Chief Minister is not clear about all these things, why do we want to have a meeting with the Chief Minister so bad? The reason is because we want to make these things clear to him, that this is the amount of money that you have in the treasury. This is the amount of money that you have in the finance department. And why is this amount not coming to us? So we are just teachers. We have all of these statistics. Now you can ask me, from where did I get these statistics? Interesting fact that I would like to point here is, let's go to the political point of view, since everyone is so interested in politics. Why is the NPP government or the MDA government so adamant? I will respond here now. The MDA government is so adamant is because the NPP is looking for an absolute majority in the 2023 elections. Now, if we take a look at the portfolios that are being held, the education minister is from the UDP. Then the chief minister is from the NPP. The finance is being held by the NPP. Then the education sector is being held by the UDP. Now we can see this is the problem of a coalition government.